Welcome to Audubon Apartment Homes. I'm going to take you on a tour today of our 2-bedroom townhome. This is the Jackson floor plan. It's 1,050 square feet. Come on, let's go in. You walk in, you open up, it opens up to a large living room area. As we walk down the hall, you've got really good storage space underneath the stairwell. Next to that, you have a hall half bath. You've got an eat-in kitchen with French doors. And then you have a nice large kitchen with black appliances, white cabinetry, stainless steel handles, updated lighting. We're gonna go now upstairs so that you can see what the upstairs looks like. There's 2 bedrooms upstairs. At the top of the hallway, we've got a linen closet. And then you've also got the first bedroom. All of the bedrooms are large enough for a king-size bed, nice closet space, ceiling fans throughout. And then the bathroom. And then this would be the master. And again, large size bedroom with a walk-in closet. If you have any questions about this or any of our other apartment homes here at Audubon, you can look on our website at audubonparknashville.com. We look forward to seeing you.